Welcome to this 15-minute guided meditation for beginners. This meditation is a follow-on video from my 5-minute and 10-minute guided meditations for complete beginners. So if you found your way to this video, hopefully you've already tried the 5 and 10-minute meditations and you now feel more comfortable and more in control of your thoughts and your body. You should also now be feeling more comfortable and confident with the whole meditation process. And this meditation is your next step towards building calm, clarity, and connection. But remember, there is no pressure, no judgment, and no experience needed for those wanting to meditate. Today, I'll guide you down a beautiful spiral staircase into a magical space that belongs entirely to you. By the end, my hope is that you'll feel calm, clear, and more connected to yourself, plus a little more comfortable with your meditation practice. I'm Lindsay, your body and mind coach. And this is the Body and Mind Centre, where we create content based on your requests. So if you do have a request for me, I would love to hear from you. Find a comfortable position, that could be sitting or laying down. Let your hands rest softly, and I invite you to close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. And let's begin. I want to begin by encouraging you to notice your breath. You don't need to force anything, you're just observing the rhythm. Feel the coolness in the air as it enters through your nose, and the warmth as it leaves your mouth. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let your jaw relax. Soften the space between your eyebrows. And allow your body to grow a little heavier with each exhale. Now in your mind's eye, imagine you're standing at the top of a beautiful spiral staircase. It might be made of smooth marble, warm polished wood, or perhaps a glowing crystal. You choose. The steps gently curve downward, inviting you deeper into your calm. I want you to notice the colour of the staircase. I want you to feel the railing beneath your hand and see the soft light illuminating with each step. With every slow breath, take one step down, counting slowly in your mind. 10, stepping down, feeling calm. 9, deeper into peace. 8, tension just melting away. 7, safe and relaxed. 6, your breath flowing smoothly. 5, quietness growing inside. 4, lighter yet grounded. 3, feeling supported. 2, almost there. And 1, you arrive at the bottom of the staircase. And now that you're standing at the bottom of the staircase, notice a strong but beautiful wooden door in front of you. I want you to reach out and gently open the door. Now step through and find yourself in the most magical field you have ever seen. It's just bursting with colour, brilliant flowers, shimmering grass, sparkling drops of dew catching the light. Notice all those colours. You hear the soft hum of bees, birds singing delicate songs, and the leaves whispering in a nice gentle breeze. Notice the colours and the sounds that are surrounding you. As you walk slowly through the field, don't be afraid to reach out and touch the petals, touch the grass, touch the leaves. Feel their texture beneath your fingertips. Smell the sweetness of the blooming flowers, the earth and the fresh air. Feel the sun's warmth on your face and the cool breeze brushing against your skin. Every sense is alive. Every part of you is awake, yet utterly calm. Find a soft and inviting patch of grass in this field for you to sit or lie down in your mind's eye. Take a moment to feel that earth beneath you, solid and supportive. In your mind's eye, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. And notice how your breath moves beneath your hands, rising and falling, steady yet gentle. If any thoughts arise, just imagine them as petals drifting away on the breeze. There's nothing to fix, nothing to chase, and nothing to prove. This is just you, here, breathing and connected. I want to leave you in peace to enjoy a few moments in this magical place. And when I do, listen to the rustle of the grass and the trees. See the way the light sparkles through the petals. Feel the gentle warmth of sunlight on your skin. Notice all the smells around you. And let all of these sensations seep deeply into your being, like seeds of calm planted in your mind, knowing that you can return here any time, because this field, this space, and this peace lives inside you. As we prepare to close, I want to gently bring your awareness back into your physical body. I want you to feel the surface beneath you. Start to move your body and have a good stretch if that feels good for you right now. And when you're ready, open your eyes, or you can keep them closed if you wish to stay here a little bit longer. Repeat these few affirmations with me, silently or aloud. I am safe. I am learning to be still. Calm and colour live inside me. I am open to growing my practice. I can return here anytime I like. Now a huge congratulations, you've just completed a 15-minute guided meditation. You're growing your ability to stay present, calm and connected. Don't forget, stick with these practices until you feel ready to explore more. Trust your pace and remember you're exactly where you need to be. When you are ready to go deeper, I have a collection of meditations waiting just for you, from how to live a healthier and happier life to how to get a better night's sleep. Plus, there is a lot more out there for you to explore on YouTube, so don't be afraid to give them a try. I want to thank you for being here with me today and for allowing me to take you on this meditation journey. I look forward to seeing where your meditation journey takes us next.